Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chad here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia, and today we've got this 2010 Toyota Tundra, really sharp truck that we just recently traded in. This truck is obviously lifted. It does have a nice BDS lift kit on it, done very well. Good set of tires, Moto metal 20-inch rims. Of course, the step bars, beautiful white and black. Clean Carfax history report, and it's from southeastern Virginia and northeastern North Carolina, so right here in the local area, since it was brand new. So no rust issues, pretty well kept up, runs and drives great, and really clean truck. So of course sharp looking with that white and the black contrast on it. This truck has, it is again a 2010. It has 172,000 miles on it. You can see it does have the nice WeatherTech mats in it. Seats are in really good shape, with the exception of the outer edge of the driver's seat here. But otherwise, all really clean, really nice. Seems to have been a non-smoker vehicle. And dual climate control, power windows, locks, tilt, cruise. And of course this is a Crewmax, and so you've got a ton of room in the back seats here. And these seats you can slide forward, fold the back of it. You've got tons and tons of room in here. Really comfortable. But again, 2010, 172 on it, lifted, sitting pretty, looking right, ready to roll. These trucks are real hard to find with that Crewmax for under 20 grand if it's not beat up and wore out. But here it is. We're gonna have it priced under $20,000 for a full-size Toyota Tundra with the 5.7 super powerful V8. So come and check it out. You can find us in person at 3203 Victory Boulevard, Portsmouth, Virginia. Been here since 1974, so we're getting ready to mark 46 years since this place was opened up. You can find it online with tons of photos, Carfax history report, and more information at www.holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. We've got a lot of really good financing options. We're here to help you out with that the best that we can. If we're gonna help you figure out what's your best financing opportunities for you, so call and check us out today. Thanks as always for watching.